Hello and good morning. Thank you for joining Mornings with Megan. I'm here with all the dogs. And this March, I am telling my cancer story for Colorectal Cancer Awareness Month. So I was on liquids only for 4 months before I got my colostomy because even a tiny, tiny little bite of a chicken nugget would cause my intestines to become blocked, which is quite honestly one of the most painful things I've ever endured. It absolutely rivals childbirth. I am not exaggerating. They are awful. So when people ask me, how did you participate in life when you couldn't eat? It's really quite simple. So for 4 months, I lived on meal replacement shakes. And trust me when I say I've tried them all. This is my favorite. It's the only one I use. I still use it. Orgain, they're not my sponsor. They probably should be because I buy a lot of them. But my kids had birthdays, we had holidays, we had family dinners, and I literally couldn't eat any of the food. But I did my best to participate. So I bought ice cream cakes because I could eat ice cream, and I would sit at the table while they ate, and I would show up the best of my ability. And that's what Minding Your Light is all about, finding ways to participate even when you can't do it the normal way. You don't have to eat the food. You don't have to drink the drinks. You don't have to do those things to be a part of the celebration. You just have to show up just as you are in all your wondrous glory. So thank you for being here, and thank you for listening to my story. And tomorrow I'll tell you some more. And this is what Minding Your Light looks like even when the tricksters are laughing at you. So cheers to the day and to all you CRC warriors out there.